Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that's making waves in the eco-friendly charging world. The best AAA solar battery charger. If you're tired of constantly replacing batteries and looking for a sustainable solution, this is the video for you. So, let's take a closer look at what makes this solar charger a standout option. This is the Solar AAA and AAA Rechargeable battery charger, specifically designed to charge 1.2 volts NIM and NICD batteries, along with a 9 volts battery. With its built-in 2-watt solar panel, this portable charger is perfect for household use, outdoor activities, and emergencies. Imagine the convenience of being able to charge your batteries using the power of the sun. The charger can accommodate up to 6 AA or AAA batteries simultaneously and also has the capacity to charge one 9 volts battery. Whether you're using batteries for your remote controls, radios, or even outdoor solar lights, this charger has you covered. Now, let's talk about the solar panel itself. This unit features a crystalline solar cell, which is both efficient and durable. Under optimal sunlight conditions, it can produce a minimum of 600 mAh for the AA and AAA batteries. For the 9 volts battery, it produces a minimum of 20 mAh. While this might sound slow for the 9 volts battery, it's a great backup solution when you're away from traditional power sources. What I love about this product is its sustainability aspect. It harnesses renewable energy, reducing your reliance on disposable batteries and lowering your carbon footprint. Plus, with more people looking to go green, this charger fits perfectly into an eco-conscious lifestyle. Next, let's examine the usability and design of the charger. It comes equipped with LED indicators that show the charging status. A red light indicates that the battery is charging, while a green light shows that it's fully charged. This feature allows you to keep track of the charging process easily. The charger is designed with a retractable handle, making it incredibly portable. You can pull it out for easy carrying or fold it down to tilt the solar panel toward the sun for optimal charging efficiency. This versatility is essential, especially if you plan to use it while camping or hiking. Durability is another key aspect of this charger. It's built with ultra-clear PV glass that enhances efficiency while remaining strong. The housing is made of durable ABS plastic, which provides added protection. Additionally, it has a built-in diode to prevent reverse charging from the batteries. Whether you're using it in your backyard or taking it on an outdoor adventure, you can trust that this charger is built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures that it can withstand the elements, making it a reliable choice for outdoor enthusiasts. So, who is this solar battery charger for? If you frequently use AA or AAA batteries, or if you're looking for a backup solution for your 9 volts batteries, this charger is an excellent investment. It's perfect for families, campers, and anyone looking to embrace a more sustainable lifestyle. Overall, the Solar AAA and AAA Rechargeable battery charger combines functionality, efficiency, and sustainability in one package. With a price point of around $37.99, it offers great value for anyone serious about reducing battery waste and utilizing renewable energy. If you're interested in making the switch to solar charging, check out the link in the description below for more details. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.